Hello there. Hope you are doing well. So we have another question from the same passage. So what does the question ask here? According to the passage, which concept is essential to practicing empathy when dealing with the friend's belief in the Christian afterlife? Now, the option which is appointed here is given as a Buddhist compassion, Stoic resilience, mindfulness meditation, and existential acceptance. So if I look into this, it would be known as the Buddhist compassion. Why? Because the passage suggests that Buddhist compassion is essential to practicing empathy, isn't it? Practicing empathy when dealing with the friend's belief. It advises the author to do what? The author to cultivate. The author to cultivate. You can say that compassion. Cultivate what? Compassion for his friends grief, for his friends 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 grief. Friends grief, isn't it? So if I look into the second one, what does the second one point out here? That called as just stoic resilience. So uh, what actually stoic resilience point out? The passage mentions stoic resilience as a concept. What is that? Now it is indicating as a concept, right? So related to dealing with the situation, but does not specify it as it is essential to practicing empathy or not. So therefore, option 2 cannot be drawn as the answer. Fine. So look at the option 3. Option 3 stated about um, mindfulness meditation. So when we talk about mindfulness meditation, it is actually practicing. It is something like a practicing by the author. The passage does not explicitly mention it is an essential to practicing empathy in this context. It emphasizes the need for mindfulness and presence, but does not directly link to empathy. Option 4 is also known as a incorrect one because it is stated about existential acceptance. Uh, it is mentioned in the passage, but it is not described as it is whether it is essential to practicing empathy or not. Practicing empathy, empathy, practicing empathy. It is related to the author's perspective on life and death. Hence, the correct answer should be Buddhist compassion as per the question asked about the concept, which concept is essential to practicing empathy. So we find out that Buddhist compassion will be appropriate because it gives the idea about empathy and cultivate compassion for his friend's grief. So hence, option 1 will be the correct answer. Hope you understood the question and the answer pertain to it.